or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Livingston County in central Illinois, southeastern Grundy County in northeastern Illinois, southwestern Kankakee County in northeastern Illinois, until 6:45 p.m. At 6:06 p.m., a confirmed tornado was located over Odell, or near Dwight, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: damaging tornado. Source: Weather Spotters confirmed tornado. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. The tornado will be near Dwight around 6:10 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Campus, Union Hill, South Wilmington, Reddick, East Brooklyn, Essex, and Buckingham. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. This is NOAA Weather Radio KZZ 58 Kankakee. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in the listening area.